Hey guys, we got this older Polaris Ranger in the shop today. It had this old busted non-working radio system in it, and today we're going to replace that with a brand new Wet Sounds XT12 soundbar. Stick around, we'll show you how we do it. And just like that, she's out. Okay, so we got the old audio system out. We're gonna start getting ready to do the installation of the new soundbar. On this one, we're gonna do the Wet Sounds XT12. We chose it specifically on this install because there is no round pipe anywhere in the roll cage to use a pipe clamp. The XT12 will allow us to use the end brackets on the ends of the bar, and we'll bolt directly through the header panel overhead. Some of the other bars out there, they could be installed. It's gonna take a little extra fabrication because they don't have those L brackets on the end. But for this installation, I think this is gonna work out perfect. So let's get to it. Quick note on the angle brackets that are included with the Wet Sounds XT12. They are super heavy duty. They mount on each side. With that, you can also adjust the height and then even pivot the bar to fit your installation needs the best. So we had to bring in some reinforcements to measure and to get this bar mounted in place. So my man, J Law, the man, the myth, the legend, Jacob Lawrence. So we got it marked out. We're getting ready to drill some holes. One thing to note on this is where we're mounting this is where the roof clamp comes in. So be sure to leave yourself enough space in between where the bracket's gonna mount and where that clamp is for the factory roof. So you don't run into any clearance issues once you start putting everything back together. So we got the holes drilled, the brackets are mocked into place. Now on this particular installation, we went to the hardware store and bought some 1-inch stainless steel 1/4-20 bolts, flat washers, and lock nuts. The hardware that's included, you could probably make work, but it's just a little too long. So we wanted something that didn't stick down past the bracket. So that's what we did, and now we're gonna mount the bar up and get ready to run some wire next. Here we are, we got the soundbar mounted. It is mounted with that stainless hardware we got from the local hardware store. We started to run the cable, we've run it up through the header. Along this rib, we've drilled a couple, 3 holes here to run some zip ties through that rib. Now we're making our way down the back of the roll cage, and we'll get all the way down to the battery. Sorry looking battery, but we'll get that replaced next after this soundbar install's done. All right, we're all done. You saw us get the bar mounted up, ran the wire around and down, got connected to the battery, 2 wires, power and ground. That's all you need for this to work. Super simple DIY project you can do in an hour or two. Probably gonna need a friend to help you hold the bar up while you get it mounted. But overall, super easy project. Got the remote mounted on the wheel. It's sounding good and looking good, and we'll see you on the trail.